Hello viewer, we are going to take the shapes, make an alignment there. Also take that shape. Here are some different pictures. Also we will use that design. There it is. I will take a new shape. There we can make the picture here. Add a paint on that structure. Change the foreground color. Again paint that one. So let's change the color again. So there it is.